Hi students, from last few videos we are discussing on various concepts of system analysis and design. We have covered various basic concepts from this subject such as introduction to system, definition of a system, characteristics of system, and then elements of system. Okay, so if you guys have not seen these videos, I would just recommend you guys to first watch those videos, then come back to this video. Okay, so you can get access to all these videos from our playlist. Okay. And now in this lesson we will discuss about various types of systems. Okay, so I'm sure by now all of you know what is a system. Okay, so as I have already told you in my last lessons that there can be many definition of a system. Okay, and there are many systems around us. If we talk in terms of day-to-day life, we are surrounded with many various types of systems, but in this subject we are mainly focusing on one system, which is automated system or a computerized system, with the help of which we can learn the process of developing software application. So that system we are going to mainly focus in this subject. But apart from this system, which is automated or computer based system, we have many other systems around us, and we guys are becoming part of these various systems in our day-to-day life. Okay, so here on the board I have listed down various types of systems. Okay, so there are three types of systems. First one is natural system, man-made system, and then automated system. Okay, so in natural system we have three various types of further categories. Like in natural system we have stellar system, we have geological system, and we have molecular system. Okay, so in stellar system we can give an example like galaxy system, and we have solar system. In geological system we can give an examples like mountains, rivers, all those things comes under the geological system. And in natural system we have the third category, which is molecular systems, which contains the atoms and the complex structure of molecules. All those comes under the molecular system. And then the second type of system is man-made system, and we have already discussed when we were discussing the definition of a system. A system can be a group of people working together. A system can be a group of people with the help of machinery, with the help of computerized systems working together to achieve a task. Exactly the same way here you can consider this definition for man-made system. Okay, so here under the category of man-made system we have further categories or subcategories, you can say, which is social system, we have transportation system, then we have communication system, and finally we have manufacturing system. Okay, so all these four subsystems comes under the man-made systems. That means so these kind of system, man-made systems, are formed when more and more people started coming together and started using the technologies like vehicles, like machineries, like computer based systems. So when these people are coming together and using this technology to achieve their objective, and then they form an ecosystem, and that system is called as man-made system. So under man-made system we can have various types of subcategories, as I have said: social, communication, transportation, and manufacturing. Okay, so and under the social system we can have various categories like corporation systems, where various societies are coming together and following some set of rules and regulations. Okay, so all those comes under the social system, which is corporation. And then we have industries, where various people from other cities or other countries coming together and working as a team in an industries for manufacturing some products. Okay, and we have another example like college campus. Okay, so college campus can be considered as a system where various students from different backgrounds, different cities, different countries are coming and gathering together in a single place. Like this, we have another type of man-made system, which is transportation system. Okay, so under the transportation system, we have various examples like road transport system, we have railways transportation system, water system, air supply system, pipeline system. Okay, so here in this type of system, which is transportation system, people are coming together and they are making a use of technology. They are making a use of machinery to achieve their task. Okay, and then next we have communication system. Okay, under communication system, here you can see we have internet, we have telephone, we have telegraph. Okay, so communication is all about making an interaction with other people, either by sitting in front of them or by sending the information to different people, those who are sitting on far places, over the network in the presence of internet. Okay, so now there can be many types of examples for communication type of system, which are internet. Okay, so nowadays people are using internet to make a communication between people who are located far away from us, and we are sharing information with them, we are making communication with those people, we are sharing our information. So that media is an example of communication system. Okay, and this internet is an example for communication system. And we have telephone. Yes, we are using mobile phones, we are using landlines. Okay, so these telephones we are using to have a communication between various people. Yeah, and then we have telegraph system. Okay, so with each and every of these example, we are establishing a communication system which allows us to share the information between two parties. Okay, and then finally we have a manufacturing system. Okay, in manufacturing system we have, you can see, all types of manufacturing industries. Okay, all big and large scale factories or manufacturing plants where people are gathering together, where different employees with different expertise, with different experience and knowledge coming together, and they will be using their knowledge to manufacture some goods. Okay, so all various types of manufacturing plants comes under the manufacturing system. So now so these are the examples, categories and examples which belongs to man-made systems. So here in this type of man-made system, people have made an ecosystem by allowing people or employees from different parts of the country, from different parts of the world, coming together for achieving a single task, or achieving that single task is to develop some product. Okay, so this is everything about man-made system. And last, finally, we have an automated system. Okay, so this type of system is most frequently used nowadays. Now all of us are living in an era of technology, in an era of internet. Okay, where everyone wants to complete their task as fast as possible, where everyone wants to automate their work. Okay, so this automated systems are computer based system where we people mainly focusing on computers and internets to automate our daily and day-to-day activities. Okay, so now under the automated systems we have various types of examples like batch system. Okay, so in the batch system, it's one of the system where a computer take the data from the database in the form of a batches, and it continuously keep on processing on those batches until it completes its processing. So what is the advantage of this batch type of system is there won't be any intervention of any other persons during the processing has been taking place. Okay, so within a short period of time the system can process more and more batches of data. Okay, so now you can see with the automated, that is what the automated, we have automate most of our tasks, and we have made our system capable to continuously keep on working and processing the data in the form of batches. Okay, so it's one of the type of a system where computer will take the data from the database in the form of batches and process them automatically without the intervention of any operator. Now the next one is online system. Okay, nowadays we people are most widely using this online based media or online based system where we are getting the information online over the network. Okay, we can communicate with other people over the network. Okay, in the presence of internet, we can share the information with other people who are sitting far away from us, those who are in different cities, those who are in different countries. We can communicate easily with those people by using some automated system, by using some web applications, by using some software applications which runs in the presence of internet, which runs online. Now we will see the third type of automated system, which is real-time system. So these real-time system are fast and quick and capable enough in handling the real-time data. So since these systems are very fast, that's why they are mainly used in airlines monitoring stations, and they are also used in weather forecasting stations, and they can also be used in emergency control stations as well. So these are the places where we can use the real-time system. And we have decision support system. Okay, so this type of system is mainly used in large organizations where the top management will be mainly involved in taking the decisions. For them to take the decision, they should have appropriate or proper data or reports about the organization with them. And the lower management, which is the management information system, needs to provide that required information to the top level management so that those reports will help the top management to take the decision. Okay, so that decision support system where various departments are working together to collect the data from various departments or various branches of that big organization and transform that data in the form of reports, in the form of charts, and send those charts to the top management. And with the help of those reports, top management can take the decision. So that entire system of providing the details or the status or the performance of the organization to the top level management, that entire system is called as decision support system, because that system is supporting the top management in taking the decision by providing the appropriate data in the form of reports. Now the next we have knowledge based system. So in this type of system, various knowledgeable people or experts from various fields, from various industries will come together and they share their thoughts, they share their experience on a particular problem. Okay, so if you take an example of research centers, in a research center, experts from various fields come together and they have a common problem, and to solve that problem various experts will share their thoughts, they will share their experience and knowledge to solve that problem. And now that entire system we can call it as a knowledge based expert system. These are the various types of systems or categories comes under automated system. Okay, I hope you guys have understood each and every type of system. So in this lesson we have mainly focused on different types of system. Okay, although in this subject we are mainly dealing with the computer based system or software application kinds of system, but it's better to have a knowledge of various other systems as well which are around us. Okay, and apart from these systems we have many other systems like open system, closed system, okay, adaptive system and non-adaptive system. An open system is something which is flexible enough in taking the input from the outer environment. Okay, so the system which we are using nowadays, all computer based automated systems, since these computer based systems are taking input from the user, that's why they can be also call it as an open system. The meaning of open system is these systems can take input from the outside world, okay, and provide them the output, whereas the closed systems are such which doesn't take input from the outside world. Okay, so rarely we will find such kind of systems in our environment. And we have another systems like adaptive systems. Adaptive systems are those which adjust themselves according to the changes in the environment. An example for adaptive system is living system, where humans animals and other living creature are staying in that system. Okay, so that system can be called it as a adaptive system, where we guys are adapting ourselves according to the changing environment of outer world. Okay, and non-adaptive systems are something which doesn't get adjusted according to the change in the environment. Okay, so these are some additional types of systems which are also present. Okay, so now in this class we have mainly focused on three types of systems, which are natural, man-made and automated systems, and we saw various further categories of each and every of these systems, and we also saw the various examples of each and every type of system. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood everything about system and various types of system. Okay, so that's all for this lesson, guys. I'm sure you guys have understood about various types of system. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next lesson, and thanks for watching.